front of me is DOOGEE Fire 7, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for remove option to show. When it does, click on it. As you can see, my search bar was successfully deleted. Additionally, if you want to bring it back, I will show you how to do that too. Just hold your display and wait for all of those options to show. Then hit Widgets at the bottom left corner. Scroll to find Google App or your search bar at the top. And when you find it, click on it. Then scroll again to access search bar widget, hold it, drag it to the place you want, and let go. Then you can resize it by holding one of those two dots on the right or on the left and dragging it. When you finished, just click on your screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!